Ha ha ha! Oh,
got himself a little seat. Are you shoveling?
hang on, Reese. Let me take a picture.
What are you doing? Are you playing at Chick-fil-A? Good morning, everyone. We are dressed. Lily's chewing on her shoe. Oh no, what's the matter? What's the matter? Track? Are you getting it? No! Other way. Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Mama's here. Okay. Look, there we go. We had a Time Warner Cable person come and try to fix our internet because it's been messing up, but he said it was something on our end and that our router needed to be put up on top. So hopefully our internet will be fixed whenever Ryan gets home. What are you watching, Reese?
Do-do. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
The guy called me and he was 2 minutes away and I wasn't even dressed or anything, so I had to hurry up and get my clothes on and get Reese's pants on because I didn't want to just go to the door without any clothes on, you know.
You didn't have to.
Yeah. Lily doesn't want her shoes on. What's the matter? We got McDonald's for lunch and we got a few things for them for Easter, and I had a budget of $40, which was a little much, but I didn't know how much it cost at Walmart and stuff, and I only spent 20 of that. Not even 20, it was like 17 something or 19 something like that. Excuse me, it wasn't exactly $20. So, but he was really good in Walmart. I told him, he was asleep whenever I got there, and I was like, here, let's go, because I really needed to go in. So I was like, let's go in and you be good, and then we will get you a car. They're only like 80 something cents. So we got him a car, and he was really, really good. Like, he sat there, he didn't even try to get out of the buggy, nothing. So I'm pretty impressed with that. But it could be because he was really tired and he was just sitting there. So we got McDonald's for lunch. He has chicken nuggets, fries, and apple juice. What are you doing? What are you doing? Flip over. Good job. And Lily is snoozing. I think I'm going to lay down for a nap. She's snoozing away. So I think I'm going to put him to bed after he eats, and then I am going to lay down. Reese got a card from his Aunt Beth, and he is opening it. Lily got a card too. We're going to open it in just a minute. Lily wants to eat it. Here, let me help you. Look right here. Get it out. No, look, get it out right here. Here, look. It says Easter's here. Hop to it and have a great day. Happy Easter. Love, Aunt Beth. Easter's here. Say thank you. Okay, you gonna go play outside? He's gonna go play outside. He's gotta get his tractors. Open up the garage. He wanted to wear his boots. So he has short sleeve shirt on, shorts, and boots. Now Lily is going to open up hers. Let's open up yours, Lily. You tooted. Cool. Does it stink? Does it stink? Ew. This is Lily's. It says hello. It's got a cute little chick on it. Mom about fell. Hope you're wearing your best Easter smile. Happy Easter. Love, Great Aunt Beth. They send them every holiday. So yeah. Reese is outside playing. He wants his tractors. Reese is playing, and look what he managed to do. What are you trying to do, Reese? You're trying to push the slide? Oh, okay. Sissy's bow fell off.
I was trying to hook the the trailer up to the tractor, and Reese took off, and Sissy's bow fell off.
Put your bow on. It's not so easy one-handed. Okay, pull it up. There we go.
All right,
Good
brother.
job.
Ready? Hang on. Lord.
Oh, you want the trailer on there? Don't take off yet, okay? Wait till Mama says you can go. You don't have a trailer because you didn't mind me. Huh? He says, huh, like he didn't hear me.
See my feet?
Her shirt says, aloha, mommy. It's a nice day outside. Yesterday it was cold, kind of windy, but it's because of the lake, too. What's it do, big girl? What's it do? You're not feeling so great today, are you?
You good girl. I good girl. I'm good girl. I'm good girl.
She retched for me today. The first time like she's ever retched for anybody, and she retched for me. Oh, yay. Sorry, I'm a sappy mommy. Now, I'm trying to figure out what we want for supper. I want some spaghetti that we made like the other night because it was really good. But we don't have the ingredients, and it's already almost 6 o'clock, and I don't want to cook it and all that. Go get it, cook it and all that, and it'll be like 7 o'clock before we eat because I'm starving. So I don't know if I want to get some Buffalo Wild Wings or what I want to get. We shall see. So I ordered some to-go Buffalo Wild Wings. Hi there. And I have teriyaki boneless wings. Reese has some corn dogs, and Daddy has some honey barbecue boneless wings. And Sissy, Sissy is trying to jump out of the swing. Are you trying to get out of the swing, Sissy? Huh? You want me to get you out? Okay guys, we just got back home from taking Reese over to Mama and Papa's on his little tractor, and he rode around in the field, and we took Lily in her wagon, and we just got back home, and it's cold outside. Reese is over at Mama's. We're gonna see. He hasn't stayed over there since he was like a baby, so it's kind of sad. But he may not stay. I don't think he was going to. But he's just staying over there for a little bit, and he may end up back over here. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to end tonight's vlog, or today's vlog. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!